Morning guys, in front of me is KODAK K10 and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So at first, open the settings, then find and select apps. Now enroll all apps, just mark on see all apps and then click on three dots icon, which is for more. So just mark more icon. It's not working properly here as I do have the protection glass active. That's why it's not working quite smooth, but in your case it should work properly. And now mark reset app preferences. And if you truly want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application instructions, background data restriction for apps or any other permission restrictions, just mark reset apps. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.